Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the FOXWELL NT604 Elite, one of the most popular and affordable OBD2 scanners on the market right now. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this little tool packs a lot of diagnostic power for its price, so let's see what it can really do. Inside the box, you get the FOXWELL NT604 Elite scanner, a USB cable for updates, a quick start guide, and a nice protective carrying case. The build quality feels solid. It's got a 4.3-inch color display, responsive buttons, and a durable rubber casing that's perfect for garage use. Supports all OBD2 protocols, including KWP2000, J1850 VPW, ISO 9141, J1850 PWM, and CAN. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including 1996 and newer US models, 2000 and newer European models, and most Asian cars, as well as light trucks, SUVs, and other OBD2 CAN-equipped vehicles, both domestic and foreign. Please verify compatibility with your specific vehicle model before purchase. Prevent unexpected breakdowns. A sudden battery failure can leave your vehicle unable to start, causing major inconvenience in your daily life and work. Regular battery testing helps identify potential issues early and prevents unexpected breakdowns. Ensure safety. Conducting annual inspections helps identify and address potential safety hazards in your vehicle. This includes checking the brake system, lights, and tire wear to ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable on the road. By reading and clearing DTCs and monitoring live data streams, the scan tool helps quickly identify the cause of engine system issues, reset the warning light, and ensure optimal engine performance and efficiency. By checking the transmission system, it identifies problems by reading diagnostic codes or analyzing live data, resets the warning light, and ensures the correct amount of power is delivered to the wheels for driving at the desired speed. By accessing the ABS system's live data stream and retrieving fault codes, the FOXWELL Creator scanner allows you to diagnose ABS issues. After performing a visual inspection of all brake components that may have triggered the warning light, you can use the scanner to clear the codes and turn the light off. By detecting every electronic parameters in SRS system to check their health status, this diagnostic tool can address the SRS potential issues timely to ensure your driving safety and turn off the warning light of airbag. All in all, the FOXWELL NT604 Elite is one of the best bang-for-your-buck OBD2 scanners out there. It's reliable, accurate, and simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for professional garages. Thanks for watching.